Right, everybody. Greetings. It's your friend Frank. I'm about to make a very short video about powerful strategy. I wouldn't say like no, um, kind of like a super something, but I'll tell you the market is such a weird place. Um, the truth is, very simple things will end up giving you the money. I'm saying this to those who are still struggling with their trades. Yeah, there are very simple things in the market that just like gives you the money. And when you make the trade so complicated, it becomes so hard and so difficult. So what I'm going to show, the strategy I'm going to show you right now is a super simple but very rewarding. That's like it's going to give you like more than what you could even expect from a very complicated strategy, right? So we are going to go through it very fast, very simple. So what you see here on the chart is the moving averages, which I have just like color filled. This is the 50 and 50 and the 200. I'll just put it here for you to see. I'll do that again here. I'll just take this off. What you see here is the 50 and the 200. Right. So I'll put it first here for you to see what I'm talking about. This is a 50, the 50, right? I'll put the color to be like fire brick. Okay, the 200. Put it, let's say, to be yellow. Okay, so these are the two moving averages that we use. So, but what I did is I just like color fill this area, all this space between the two moving averages, right? Such that it makes it easier to see. Looking at the lines just crossing each other, a little bit confusing. But just put in the color. So, but I have done the color setting already, so I'll just put the color setting. I use the color field MA, this one, color field MA. This is what I use to fill up here. I don't know if you have ever come across this indicator. So here you can just put the 50 here, the 200, right? Since I'm using the simple moving average, I'll put here simple. Okay, there you see, it's filled already. But I did this setup already, so I will just like put it here. Right, this is my own setup. Okay, with the different color, but it's still the 50 and the 200 moving average. So, and the yellow indicator you see here is the MBFX snatcher. Yeah, I got it from Berkayat. If you have ever heard of Berkayat, it's one guy from Tunisia. He created it's a very powerful indicator. I use it in most of my trading. Berkayat. So this indicator is actually great. It tells you exactly the reversal point, even though it's a repaint, but it will give you a very good idea on what the market is about to do. So here, this is the MACD, the color MACD. So what we are going to do is I'm just going to go right away to show you how this indicator, how this strategy works, with these few indicators that I've just named here. Right. So if you see when the market is going up, it is indicated by this brown color, the whole of this brown color. This is when the 50 crosses over the 200, right? It's when the 50 moving average crosses over the 200, above the 200, right? Then you see the brown color, right? You see the brown color. Right, you see the brown color, yeah. And when this 50 crosses down the 200, you see this purple, right? You see the purple, right? So the brown means that 50 is above the 200, and which simply says that the market is going up. And the purple simply means the 50 is below the 200, which means the market is going down. So we are going to take some trades. We're going to look at some trades. Okay, I'll start by analyzing. I haven't done any analysis. Yeah, this is Friday, um, the 16th of April to 2021. Haven't done any analysis yet. I just got up this morning and I said, let me do this video. It was a strategy I've been using for a while, and I said, okay, why not just share it? So if you look at it here, I would take a retest after the 50 break through the 200, and then we have a retest. Then that's when I'm going to take the trade, right? That's when I'm going to take the trade. So if I have to take a trade after a retest, like we have here, this is the direction of the market goes down. If there is a retest and it breaks it, and it is breaking through the downward color, we know the downward color is purple, and it is breaking through the downward color, then we know we are taking the sell. And if there is a retest and it is breaking through the upward color, then we know we are taking a buy. I'm going to show you a clear example about that. We know that brown is up, purple is down. Here the market comes down, bounces up here, come here, bounces here. This is a retest, right? The market bounce, a retest, and purple is the down color. So we just jump in here, right? Just jump in here and write the market down. It's as simple as ABC. Yeah, it's as simple as ABC. So we just jump in there and write the market down. I will show you another example. Here, look at it here. You see this arrow here, right? The arrow here. So the market comes, retest, and we know brown is the up color, right? Brown is the color that tells us, okay, the market is now going up. So, and the retest bounces inside there, right? We just take our trades here when it goes out of that, when it looks out of this brown color. Jump in here and look at it. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's 287 pips. It's so simple and so rewarding. And number of winning trades I've gotten trading this technique is tremendous. All the complicated stuff, like you have to put this, draw this line and do that, you know. I've used the trend lines, I've used the structure. All of them are great. All of them are great. I wouldn't say that they are not great strategies. They are all great, you know. Like the wage, the head and shoulder, double top, double bottom, and I say the flag, all those stuff, they are great. I'm doing this for like those who are still, you know, those who feel like those other stuff are like a little bit complicated. But I tell you, even though we have all of those things online, it's hard to get your hands around it, you know, and really mastering those strategies or to your fingertips at times a little bit takes a lot of time, you know, takes a lot of time. So this is something which even a child can trade, right? Even a child can trade. And this is what I've always been hoping that trading should be, you know, because we have often gotten the idea that, you know, the market is such a difficult place. Yeah, but really, it's difficult if you make it difficult. Yeah, so look at what we are going to do. We're going to do some other couple of analysis here, and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go. So I'm going to look for retracement. Okay, retracement that matches with our color. Here, there is a retracement, but you see the upward color is brown, and here the market retraces to go down. So we can't take this kind of trade, right? Can't take this kind of trade. So we're going to go here. The upward color is brown and the downward color is purple. Here the market retraces to go up and breaking through the purple color is not a good one, right? Even though here it actually, like really moves straight up, but yeah, I wouldn't advise you to like kind of take that. Okay, so we're going to just cruise around and look for what we want. Okay, here we go. So we have a breakout here, the market breakthrough, a retest, right? And here we go. Yeah, this is on the daily time frame. And move up here, that's 200 and just 206 pips, okay, or 201, I don't know. Well, it's 200 and something pips, right? It's 200 and something pips. Yeah, when we got that, you could stay in here if you have a lot of money to like wait for the market to to do all this stuff and then go back up. You could stay in here. Same as you could just take this trade, take this money, or if you are doing like a kind of if you're locking into profit, okay, like you move your stop loss like closer, yeah, you kind of like have maybe a stop here, and you take the second trade when it breaks out here, right? Or when it breaks out here, you take the second trade and ride the market also. So let's see if we can find some couple of more trades down here. Yeah, here we have a breakout here. This actually this this first one, we could take this one because we see the first movement up here is within our within our reach, right? Because we know the brown is the upward movement, and then we have a trend predictor, our trend predictor, which is breaking through here. So we can actually just take this, ride the market until when we see the first yellow, and we stop and we wait for this retest and we jump in here. Yeah, there was a little bit of mumbo jumbo here, but later on we've all moved to profit. Okay, and we can say that we can here. Let's see if we can go down to see some other couple of trades. Here is the same thing. There is a retest here. Yeah, you could take your money here. But I really like to stay on the bigger time frames, like the at least the 1 hour. Some people may go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes, just depending on what you want, but it works on all the time frames. Yeah, it works on all the time frames. Yeah, so I can just roll around. Yeah, okay. So this is the upward stuff. So it's going to like, it actually went through, it's very difficult because it is at the top here. It actually went through, hit the target, came back, and it's going to like break through again here to hit another target. Yeah, because we are in the right direction. See here, there was a retest here. Yeah, it's breaking through the downward color, and that was it. Boom. Yeah, that was it. Clean. It's so simple, but so powerful. Here, it's breaking through the upward color. No argument, just jumping here, breaking through the brown, right? So the brown is the upward color. So no argument, just gives you the money straight. And there you go. Here we are not really sure it's like breaking through the up or the downward, but there is a crossover somewhere here. So you could maybe jump in here after the crossover, right? Okay, let's move to another NZD CAD and see if we could find here. There was a real breakout here, upward color brown, and there was a retest moving on the upside. There we go. There we go. So let's see if we can find here too a retest. All right, this retest moving on the upside. This one, arrow going to the downside directly. This one, there was a retest in with the right color, moving down. Okay, so if you really couldn't see what I was saying, maybe because you didn't start at the beginning, or maybe when you have maybe given it a try a couple of times, you'll find it so juicy, and I think it's really worth trading. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep this video short, so I'll end here. If you have any questions, just drop a comment, or if you want me to guide you on installing all of this on your chart. This is the MACD. I just use the MACD for confirmation after the breakout, right? Yeah, after the break, after the retracement and this one, we have that breakout. MACD is just there just to confirm, like I'll like jump in here, you know, I'll jump in here after the MACD has confirmed. I'll jump in here, right, and write the market down. So that's what's going to happen. So that's the use of the MACD, is just for confirmation, for that confirmation, right, on the entry. Yeah. So like here, if I have to like jump here, I will jump in somewhere around here, because that's where you start seeing the MACD showing red, right? The downward movement. So jumping somewhere here. Yeah, jumping somewhere, right? So that's it. It's cool. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Hope I get more likes and comments. Yeah, I really like the comments. So because we are all uh, trying to make life simple for everybody, and we can only do that if we get the feedbacks and make something better, you know, for everybody to enjoy. Okay, stay safe. See you. Nice time.